Hello everyone, my name is Kaushik Datta and welcome to Noobs Electronics. This is the second video of the Arduino tutorial series and this is how to install Arduino IDE. By the end of this video, you will get to know how to install Arduino IDE in Windows as well as in Linux. So let's start with the Windows OS. So go to your browser, then search for arduino.cc. So go to software from downloads tab, then scroll down and you can see there are three options for Windows, there is options for Mac OS and there are some other options for Linux. So I'm gonna download the first file, that is Windows installer. So click on it. There is an option for donating money, you can do that, otherwise you can just download. I'm just downloading this file. Once the download finishes, open up the file, click on agree, then next and next, and that's it, installation has started. So wait until the installation finishes, and my installation is done. So I'm closing this, and now you can find the install software in the start menu bar. Otherwise you can get that in the desktop icon, as I had used the Arduino IDE before, that's why I have that in the taskbar. As Arduino IDE is opening, that means the software is installed successfully. So let's move on to the Linux OS. Now in the Linux you have to open the browser. Similarly you have to go to arduino.cc. Again you have to go to software from downloads tab. Now I'm gonna download the Linux 64-bit file. So I'm just downloading from here. If you want you can donate also. Now I'm saving the file. Once the download is finished, go to file manager, go to downloads, then open up the downloaded file. You have to extract the downloaded file. So I'm extracting here. You can see the extraction has started. So after the extraction you will see a new folder called Arduino. Open up that folder. You can see there is a file called install.sh. I'm gonna double click on it and there are some options you can see. I'm just gonna select run in terminal. So the terminal has opened and the installation is going on. It is showing failed because I had already installed Arduino. So go to the desktop, then you can see a icon over there. Double click on it and select the launch. So you can see the Arduino IDE has opened successfully. So this is an old project I've been working on. So let's close this window. Now if you are having any trouble while installing, then go to install.sh and right click, go to properties, then go to open with, then select the software install rather than text editor. Now click on set as default. Now follow the same way shown previously. So that's all for this video, and in the next video we will be talking about basic electronics and the basics of Arduino. Till then, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much.